Hello, welcome to a new video from the Digital SAT. In this video, we're going to answer question number 14, and from the form, we can tell that this is one of the quantitative command of evidence questions because quantitative command of evidence questions have their specific form. You're going to find them presented this way. You're going to find an infographic like a table or a chart with some data in it, and then you're going to find a text, a short text, and after the short text, you're going to find the question stem like this one that says which choice most effectively uses data from the table to complete the example, and after the question stem, you're going to find the answer choices. Okay, so the question now is how to tackle these questions. To tackle these questions, you're gonna go through 4 steps. The first step is that you're gonna skim the infographic, the table in this case, very quickly. You're not need to study it in depth, only to know its components or its elements. And then you're gonna go directly to the text to read it carefully and identify the argument. So number 2 is to identify the argument. And the third step is to paraphrase the argument in your own words to create a test phrase. To use it to check the answer choices, to find a match of the answer choices that matches your test phrase, or to eliminate any answer choice that doesn't match your test phrase, and you're gonna find the answer very easily. Okay, now we're gonna put this into practice. Okay, so we're gonna read the text very carefully, or first of all we're gonna identify or we're gonna skim the table very quickly. So it says here, credited film output of James Young Deere, Dark Cloud, Edwin Curley, and Lillian Sir. So these are the individuals, the 4 individuals, and this cell is for the years when they were active, and then the third cell is for the numbers of films known and commonly credited for every one of them as actor, director, writer, producer, and many other domains. After skimming the table, we're gonna go directly to the text to read it carefully. So it says here, some researchers studying indigenous actors and filmmakers in the United States have turned their attention to the early days of cinema, particularly the 1910s and 1920s, when people like James Young Deere, Dark Cloud, Edwin Curley, and Lillian Sir, known professionally as Red Wing, were involved in one way or another with numerous films. So these are the 4 figures, and this is about their contributions in cinema. Okay, so here the second sentence says, in fact, so many films and associated records for this era have been lost. That counts of those 4 figures output should be taken as bare minimum rather than total. So it says that the second sentence here says that many films were lost, so the number presented in the table is the bare minimum. So we can say that it may be the contribution of these 4 figures may be more than the number presented in the table. So here it's entirely possible. So it is possible, for example, that what? So the argument is that since in this era many films were lost, so the number, and this table presents only the number of known films, the number of known and commonly credited films for these figures. So it is possible, it is entirely possible that the number the number of their contribution may be more than the number of the known films presented in the table, because many movies or many films were lost in this era. So which one of these choices can complete this? So the argument is that the number is more than the number presented in the table. Okay, so here, which choice most effectively uses data from the table to complete the text or the example? Okay, we're gonna go to check the answer choices. So here, answer choice A says Dark Cloud. Where is Dark Cloud? This is Dark Cloud. Acted in significantly fewer films than did Lillian. Okay, so this figure acted in 35, and this acted in 66. Yeah. So this who refers to Lillian. who credited with 66 performances. So this number presents the exact number of the known films, but the example we need to complete is that the number may be more than the number presented in the table. For sure this is not correct. So the argument, this may be true according to the data presented in the table, but according to the argument, don't forget that some answer choices may be true according to the data presented in the table, but the argument here is that it is possible that the number of the true or the actual contribution of these figures may be more than this number because many films in this era have been lost. Okay, so the counts of those figures output should be taken as bare minimum. So here this is not correct because it presents the actual number but we so an example that just serves to tell us that the actual number is more than the number presented in a table. Okay, so B says here Edwin, here is Edwin, yeah, Edwin's 47 credited acting roles, so the 37 as actor roles includes only films made after 1934. After 34, for sure, this is not correct because the era when this figure was active spans from 1912 to 1934, so he didn't contribute to any movies after 1934, but this is not correct. C says here, Liliane Serre acted in far more than the 66 films, and Edwin Crowe directed more than. So the example may be that Liliane acted in more than 66, and here also, and Edwin Kerwey also directed more than 58. So he directed 58, more than 58. So this is clear the correct answer because it serves to just serve to complete the example presented by the argument. The argument is that the true contribution is, or the actual contribution is more than what you presented because many films were lost. So here, this is the correct answer that this figure acted in more than 66, and for Edwin Kerwey, he directed more than the 58 movies presented in the data because of the lost movies. We're gonna go to D because it says here James Young Deere directed 33 films and acted in only 10. So here acted in 33. No, this is the opposite of the argument because the argument is the number is more than what is presented, not less than what is presented. So here this is the correct answer. Letter C is the correct answer, and don't forget that some answer choices may be correct according to the data presented here in the table, but according to the argument they are not correct because the argument is that the number of the contribution of these figures may be more than that number presented in the table once more because many movies were lost. Thank you and see you in another video.